I had to discuss cyberbullying with guidance counselors, and we had come to the conclusion that the worst cyberbully is the anonymous cyberbully. Kasi di mo alam kung saan ka mabawi at anong gano'n. Gusto ko pa naman bumawi sa mga bully. Sana pwede ba? Pag di ko nakakabawi, hindi nakakatulog eh. Niloko lang. Pero pag anonymous parang, pero pag anonymous don't count eh, pag nila patulad. Kasi sayang eh. Gusto ko na din yung name. So, parang all the changes in the whole like mid-generation, it's all changing. And now here we are. There is really no difference between that. The thing about the internet is this. It's a public space for your private take on things. We've heard the argument before. Blog ko to, Facebook ko to, I can say anything I want. It's my blog. I can say whatever I want. What many of us have not realized, well, many of us have already. I'm sure this room, especially because you're smarter than usual, I think, your blog is different from the diary under your bed. Diba? They're not the same thing. We cannot carry on like it's the same thing. You can't bitch about someone and say, well, it's my blog, it's my right. Of course not. Of course not. It's like pooping in your front lawn. It's different. You poop in the banyo. Tago ka naman, diba? It's different. And so tayo yung generation na nagpa-flux eh. Tayo yung generation na nag-a-adjust from then to now. Tayo yung naka-experience nung next step nung nung cyber identities natin eh. The ones before, they really stayed in the aliases and etc. And then the ones now, the ones who are just entering the internet, they know immediately that it's their real. So tayo yung gitna. This 10 years span or maybe 20-year difference, you and me, and our age differences. So galing, we saw the flux and etc. Which brings me to, when it comes to integrity, ganun din yung hair mo. Delo ka lang, distract ako. Shiny. Delo ka lang. Which brings me to, sorry, I'm so ADHD, can you tell? And I just came from traffic, sorry. Which usually, diba? Sorry, mali ba yung term na yun? Sorry. I apply it to myself, so I guess I can use that title. Kasi, no, it's accurate. Usually, politically correct is not accurate, di ba? Yung mga vertically challenged, sorry, nag-change ako ng topic. Pero, di ba, supposed to unalo ang accurate, di ba? No. Anyway, we should have a politically incorrect day. Yung one day, just be accurate, di ba? Pwede ba yun? Kahit 364 days naman, correct tayo lagi, di ba? That day, one day, pwede natin sabihin. Kung naano siya, we will get